Buying and selling on Binance, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, involves several steps to navigate the platform and make informed trading decisions. Buying cryptocurrency on Binance. Create an account, sign up for a Binance account and complete the verification process, including KYC if required. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your Binance account. You can do this by transferring cryptocurrencies from another wallet or by using fiat currencies through supported payment methods like bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or P2P trading. Place an order. Go to the trading platform and select the cryptocurrency pair you want to buy. Choose either a market order or a limit order. Confirm purchase. Review your order details and confirm the purchase. Your cryptocurrency will be added to your Binance account once the order is executed. Selling cryptocurrency on Binance. Access the trading platform. Log into your Binance account and go to the trading platform. Select the pair. Choose the cryptocurrency pair you want to sell. Place an order. Similar to buying, you can place either a market order or a limit order. Confirm sale. Review the order details and confirm the sale. Once executed, your cryptocurrency will be converted to your chosen currency.